Yagni benta jonga kubor la wanra speed daga fatafat online shopping store.
Umentri ka koi kakya jong ka jila Meghalaya uba AL hek hine ka sngi ka nyotrik unai tung arja arpo ula pentip ba ka jila Meghalaya hadu ba penmi ekani kubor ka don san reungut ki ba test positive now COVID-19 ka balapan kiu ya ka jingdon ki active case sya ka san phongud uba hek ulai thu bana kini ki san photali ki active case ha ka jila arp kandai tali ki dai na East Khasi Hills district Khatsan gut na Rivoy district Laingut na West Garo Hills district Arngut ha South West Garo Hills but iway ha East Jantia Hills.
We have received 6 more positive cases today. 6 more. See, the total positive case in Meghalaya, active cases is 50 now. All total are 50. 50. Sanpho. The total tests that's already done in the BSF Composite Hospital Umpling is 865. Praspa Adripusal 865. Positive cases only from BSF Umpling, there are 22.
How many?
R4R 22. Plus 1 today. Plus 1 today.
Means
23. Yeah. Then reported negative 563 and the result awaited for the BSF Composite Hospital Umpling 281.
Right now it is already in place. I would like to inform you that we further strengthen the entry points. Now we further strengthen the entry points, be it the armed forces, be it the civilian. They need to go through these two systems that we already have in place. Number one is, as I said to you, immediately rapid test has to be taken from the entry point, and thereafter RT-PCR sample will be collected. Naradama I warning beyond Takichandi. Nakalit the government, we really mean business, but nginam ailat bakalapsis kandon hamno.